Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to do animated text in Roblox Studio. So all I have to do is just go here to the starter graphical user interface, click on the plus button, choose screen graphical user interface and enter it. Click on the plus button another time and choose text label. Let's move the label here, make it more longer, and then let's change in the properties. Let's go to change its scalability. Let's go down until we have this option text scale. We modify it, and then we will go. Let's go back here. We will go to the screen graphical user interface. Click on the plus button, and then click on the local script. And the local script, I will give you a script that you should copy. This is the script. Let's copy it. I will give it to you in the description and paste it here. Let's run the script now. Wait for it. And as you can see, we have the animated text successfully done for me. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.